What is DNA? Let's go on an adventure inside our body to explore a teeny tiny thing that is super duper cool. Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, is a biological molecule that contains the instructions used to make all known life. It is tightly packed and stored deep inside almost all of the trillions of cells in your body, in a special chamber called the nucleus. I bet you didn't know that each DNA molecule is about 6 feet long. So if you stretched out all of the DNA molecules in your entire body, it would stretch to the moon and back a bunch of times. To learn more about DNA, let's ask Dr. Manju Hingorani from the National Science Foundation. Dr. Hingorani, what does DNA do?
DNA is like an instruction book that contains all the code that you need to be able to make a living organism, like a human. And it contains all the instructions that are needed to make a human work and live and play and dance and sing and read and write. That's what DNA does.
DNA looks like a twisty ladder called a double helix. It's made up of 4 chemical molecules called A, T, C, and G. They line up and fit together only in specific pairs, kind of like a zipper. We know that A always pairs with T, and C always pairs with G. And that's what gives DNA its shape and the ability to code for life. Now we're learning how to do cool new things with DNA. Scientists have made teeny DNA nanorobots and other machines that are smaller than a grain of sand. These tiny tools can be used to fight disease from inside our cells, keeping us healthy. They're even building DNA computers to solve puzzles at super speed. DNA is the code of life and is like a recipe for you.